So I get a lot of questions from new lawyers and prospective lawyers and law students about the stress level in our profession. Specifically what I do, which is a lot of litigation or criminal, where you're in court all the time, certainly trial work. People have caught on to the fact that it's one of the most stressful jobs that there are. There are certainly probably more stressful jobs, but it's right up there, and the stress is constant. It never ends. There's always another battle. How do you deal with that stress so that it doesn't lead to, we see a lot of burnout, we see a lot of depression. Unfortunately, substance abuse seems to be rampant in certain areas of the profession. So how do you deal with that? Now, I can't speak to everybody's situation, and I certainly can't fix everybody's problem. What I can say is what will generally kick that off or lead to that is a perceived lack of control, where things start feeling like they're getting away from you. What's important there is discipline and really being in control of your time. That is the first thing you can do. As I said, I can't speak to your specific situation, but I can tell you if you want to get that control back and kind of change your mental chemistry and how you're viewing things, a really good way to do that is to create a schedule and stick to it. If you say you're not going to check email on the weekend, stop checking email on the weekend. If you say you're going to leave at 5, you need to leave at 5. I know things come up, but for yourself to do it long term and not burn out and be able to do it well and well for your clients and for the other attorneys you work for and everybody, you need to maintain that discipline. And it is hard. It does get easier with time, but you go through that roller coaster where things kind of just swallow you up because you're doing this stressful work over a long time. You go through that roller coaster enough times, you realize how important it is to maintain that balance. So take back your time, keep a strict discipline, keep a schedule, and that is the first step in the right direction. Hope that helps.